let's draw these out. A lot of talking on the last one, but once you see how these actually work, you're not going to think they're that bad. Trust me. Come on. All right, 135 degrees. Remember, if you're going positive, remember this is like 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, 360 degrees. So if we're doing 135 degrees, that's going to end up starting at 0, past 90, but not to 180 yet. So it might look something like that. 135 degrees. Now look at what we got left. We're looking for the acute angle. So even if you didn't have the formula, you know that the two angles are going to form a straight line. They're supplementary. So you can just do 180 degrees minus your 135, and you're left with 45 degrees. So that would be our reference angle. You're going to need these reference angles once we get to the unit square, or the unit circle. Woo! Long day, which is the next section, chapter 10.3. All right, negative 105. Now we're dipping into the negatives. So remember, we're starting here, and we're going down. Now, for the negatives, this would be negative 90, then negative 180, negative 270, and negative 360. So we're starting at negative 360, or 0, and we're going through negative 90, a little bit past. So negative 105 degrees. Now, all the formulas I gave you were all positive stuff, but you're smart. You can figure it out for the negatives. Look, we're looking for an angle that ends with the terminal side and forms an acute angle with the x-axis. These two lines form a straight line, these two angles. So I know if straight line's 180 degrees. So we can just do 180 minus 105, and it leaves us with 75 degrees. All reference angles are always going to be listed positive, right? And then let's go to this one. So we're dealing with positives, so let's think of this as 90, 180, 270, 360. What color are we going with? Green, you got it. So we're going to positive 325. So we're starting at 0. Let's see, 90, 180, 270, not quite to 360. So an angle formed by the terminal side and the x-axis, that's an acute angle that does that. So if we did our formula, it's 360 degrees minus our angle, which was 325, leaves us with 35 degrees. That's it for today. Day 2, let's do this. You know what? I'll probably wear the same gear.